Ninth lesson, it is about the offense against the state. It is from the section 121 to 130. Offense against the state. In that first is the waging war and cognate offense. Waging war, it is in section 121 of IPC. So whoever wages the war against the government of India or attempts to wage such a war or abets the waging of such a war is punishable with the death or imprisonment for a life and is also liable for a fine. Means the one who wages the war against the government of India or attempts or abets, then he will be punishable with the death or imprisonment for the life. The offense of waging a war is more serious than other offense. The offense is so serious that even attempting to wage a war is as much punishable as waging war itself. Means the attempt or the abet is also same in perspective of the one who has already waged the war against the government of India. An attempt to fulfill such a purpose, attempt to fulfill any purpose of a public nature by the means of violence. Means why to wage the war against the government of India? To fulfill any purpose of a public nature by means of violence. Means through the mode of violence to fulfill their demands. That's why those people start to wage the war. Such a war occurs when several people rise and assemble against the state in order to attain any object of a public nature by force or violence. Means to fulfill their demands or to attain any object of a public nature but with the mode of force or violence. These are the main ingredients for waging the war against the government of India. The accused must have waged the war or attempt to wage a war or abetted the waging of a war. So first is waging of a war. This is 121, section 121 of IPC.